Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Jedediah The Adventure Guy here for you. Gotta remember the camera's up here, not down here this time, so got it switched. So how's everybody doing? Let me know in the comments what you're up to this fine Friday evening. Sun's about to go down here. Something about sunsets, huh guys? So I got some of my favorite music playing. About ready to open up this little package I got from NBC and Hempworx. I just want to do that together. Check this out, you guys. Alright, let's sit down. Go ahead and do this, shall we? There's some pretty stones for you. Isn't that cool? Move these rocks and then we'll get into this. There it is. So you guys are going to get to see the new boxes and the new bottles. You should come on, let me know if you're watching the live or the replay. Hashtag replay. Look at that. Awesome, huh? So, I'm going to turn this down to a bit. Okay. So here's their old bottle. Too cool, right? Everybody remembers this bottle. This is one that was on the news. Everybody's seen that forever. Now, let's go ahead and set this up. Get this out. I'm going to hold this with my knees here. So here's the new box. Hempworx, 500 milligram, full spectrum. CBD oil, natural flavor, 1 ounce. And it says on the back, pure, potent, effective. The earthly and natural flavor of hemp. Let me turn this down a little more. There we go. So we'll go back to it. So the earthly and natural flavor of hemp. Hempworx CBD tinctures introduce the holistic benefits of cannabis oil and CBD to your daily routine. Our oil is CO2 extracted. It's right there, guys. Resulting in a solvent-free pure extract and more centered to you just a few drops away. Experience the benefits of full spectrum CBD oil in its true form. So too cool, you guys. Now we can get this in the store because that'll sit in the store just like that. And let's go ahead and pop this open. Give it a second here. Aha, there it is. There's the new bottle, you guys. And there's the stamps. There's the QR code on the back. Oops. And there's the Hemp Authority symbol. I guess I should put it over here by the camera. I keep thinking it's on the other side. Sorry about that, you guys. And there's the FDA approval stamp. So, and yes, you guys. 9 calories. Calories from fat 9. Total fat 1 gram. Hemp-derived CBD oil 10 milligrams per dose. 20 drops is a dose, which is about a half dropper full. So I just opened up this one, so let's go ahead. It's a brand new bottle. Let's go sit down here. You guys can see the color of this stuff. Wow. Look at that, full spectrum oil, right? CO2 extracted. So awesome, huh, guys? I just want to just smell it. Talk about yummy. Alright, well, I guess I should take some. Let's go ahead and take a little bit of this natural. Had a little bit today, but I can take another half dropper here. Isn't that cool? Alright. Perfect. Alright. So, here's one of the cinnamons. And there's 2 more bottles of the natural. It's too awesome, you guys. So now, like I was saying before, we didn't have We had the FDA stamp, but we didn't have the authority stamp on there or the QR code. So now we can get these in stores. It's too awesome. That'll sit right there in the store just like that, and then one of these will probably sit out. But if they need to come check the code, it's right there. Just too awesome. Too great. That's about it, you guys. Just wanted to show you the new bottles. I'm in another little director pack right here, so that's what you get, a director pack. If you decide to get one. Look at this beautiful view. Just about to go down. The mountains are all going to turn orange. Sunset orange. It'll be so pretty. Not a cloud in the sky. Well, there's like a mist right there. It's probably just a jet trail. Too fun. Alright, well, that's it. Don't forget to pop on over to Jedediah's Empire on Facebook and CBD for Better Health. And my vlog, or our vlog, jedediahbennett.siterubics.com. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Later, Gators.